Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you joined me today for kind of a mystery unboxing. This is the ThredUp Handbag Rescue Box, and it is a big one. This is the first time I've ever unboxed a mystery box like this, and I'm really excited. Because on this channel, I do lots of unboxings, and it's generally all women's clothing, women's fashion, accessories, shoes, stuff like that. So if you enjoy those types of videos, please be certain to subscribe and join me again. I would love to have you back. So ThredUp is an online consignment store where you can buy and sell new and used clothing. Yes, I have purchased new with tags from ThredUp with a great discount. The goodie boxes are the only thing I have ever tried and unboxed because there's no commitment with a goodie box. A stylist puts together a box for you, sends it to you, you try on everything, and you send back anything that you don't want to purchase. Now, a rescue box, this is all mine. I paid $90 for this handbag rescue box, and there are 10 handbags in this box, so roughly about $9 per bag. So I mean, that's a great price if these bags are in good condition. I think that these rescue boxes are kind of geared toward resellers. That's why I have never bought one. I mean, I really don't need 10 handbags, but I recently started my Poshmark closet, and I thought, you know what, now I can get rescue boxes. And I am really hoping that there's some handbags in this box that will be perfect for me to carry and wear. But I feel like the risk is much lower now that I have an active Poshmark closet. So if there's handbags in here that don't match my style, I will list them on my Poshmark closet, I guess, if they're worth listing. I've seen other YouTubers unbox the mystery boxes. I think they're so much fun, and that's why I chose to do one for myself. All the information about the ThredUp Handbag Rescue Box will be in the description box below. I also have a referral link if you want to use that. That's super cool. You'll get $10 off your first ThredUp purchase. So without further ado, let's break into this box. Here's the inside of the box. Everything is wrapped in polka dots. Let me just break this open. Oh, comes right off. There you see the top of the box. Oh, okay. Top handbag looks exactly like my thing. Okay, so you saw it on the top. This bag aesthetically is so adorable for me. I like all of these primary colors. It's got an unusual shape. It does seem to be a leather bag, and this is by, I don't know if you can see that, S&T Famous Bags, Brooklyn, New York. So I'm not familiar with that brand, but isn't it a really cool shape? Now it does have some, it looks like dirt on it, and I think it's a leather bag. This is, I mean, it's a crossbody. It's very unusual and unique. I like this. I will probably clean this up, carry it myself, or keep it in the closet for a while. I can't imagine listing this one on Poshmark, not just yet. I need a chance to wear this one. So yeah, it looks like it's in pretty good shape, and there is only lining on the center. The sides are kind of the leather, the natural leather. That's what this one looks like. So far so good. Okay, the next bag is super cool fringe. I like that detail, and this is kind of a rust and brown color, and we have a really substantial handle, and that appears to be leather. There's a suede, is that, okay, I think that's, okay, that is supposed to fold down like that. Let's see who this bag is by. Where's the tag? This is by Jade Tribe, made in Thailand, and this appears to be in really very clean, good condition. I don't know if I will carry this one. This one deserves to be carried, I can tell you that. It's a really large bag, and it's unstructured, which is not my favorite type of bag to carry, but isn't this adorable? Okay. Bag number 3. This one is kind of heavy, and I don't know if this is a shoulder strap. It is a double strap there. This is what it looks like. And so it's a nice, soft, oh, this is so cool. Check it out. This is genuine leather, made in Italy. And let's see, can I read it? Oh, this is Dillard's, made in Italy. But look at this. Look at the closure on this. I love that. Oh, this one is a nice, nice bag. What kind of shape are you in? Looks like it's in really good shape. So yeah, just a quick cleaning, and I may sell this one. Black bags are not my favorite. I do have one black bag that I carry a lot, and of course it's patent leather. This one is very simple, very sleek, and I love this closure. It's awesome. It has a vintage feel to it, in my opinion. Okay, the next bag looks like this. This is a little crossbody. This one is by Steve Madden. Is it focusing? You can see it there on the zipper as well. So this is a really small little crossbody. It does have that stud detail on it, gold hardware, gold chain, and the leather, which this is really nice when you're carrying it, to have a little leather on your shoulder. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's really clean. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. So it is lined, and you know, I like a green bag. I might wear this one too. I don't know. I like everything so far. Okay, this next bag definitely looks loved. It looks like it has been pre-loved, and this is what it looks like. This one is Patricia Nash. So yeah, this is going to be a leather bag, and it looks like it's been used, but it's clean. What do we have here? Oh my gosh. So there's the tag that came with it, but you can see right up here we do have some markings. It looks pretty clean. Let's see if I can pull the, let's see what that, yeah, it looks, I don't know, it's hard for me to tell. This might be a bag that someone had stored. I have a lot of my bags stored in boxes, so I mean, maybe just a good cleaning with a leather cleaner, but yeah, this is just a nice brown leather. It does have the adjustable shoulder strap on. Patricia Nash is a really nice brand of purses, and this would look really nice with kind of a distressed brown bomber jacket, don't you think? Is that too much brown? That's kind of the way I'm seeing this one worn. What's next? What's next? What's next? Okay, this looks like Vera Bradley. It's Vera Bradley. She just has a signature look to all her bags, and this one's in my favorite color. Oh, am I going to keep everything? Okay, this one has the pocket in the front and the really nice lining. What does it look like? This is clean. This is so clean. I can't believe that someone didn't snatch this. This is awesome. Double straps in very, very good condition. These bags are awesome. If you own one for yourself, you can wash these in the washing machine. And yeah, I love Vera Bradley. I don't know. Yeah, another winner for me. Okay, the next one is a tote, and this is what it looks like. Who are you? Who could it be now? I don't know. Okay, this one's been used. I can see from the inside it's got some use, and that's a canvas lining, so that should be really easy to clean. Do we have something in there? We do. Oh, it's nothing. But yeah, the bag looks really clean, but I can't see any identifiers on it. We do have that little hardware there. This is navy with some magenta and orange and white. So yeah, it's a nice tote, no brand tote. This kind of feels like polyurethane or plastic, but yeah, it would be a nice shopping tote. I don't know. I'm not that crazy about this one. I could probably part with this one. Oh my God, look at these colors. This one is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, check it out. Check it out. Who are you? Okay, this is Desigual, and I love these colors. This one is awesome. Okay, what does the inside look like? It looks pretty clean. Check it out. And let me see if I can give it some shape. So this is what it looks like, and it does have an adjustable shoulder strap. You guys know I don't carry adjustable straps, but we do have inside pockets, and let's see. Oh no, the lining's attached, but I think this one is gorgeous. I will definitely carry this one. The next one is a big brown, is it leather or faux leather? I don't know. But that's what it looks like. And we do have some loose strings there. Can you see that? But, and this is, I mean, there's a little bit of structure to it, but it feels a little bit like a hobo. This is by the brand Kuba. I don't know about Kuba, but okay. We do have a stain inside the zipper pocket. Let's see. It's kind of a suede-like interior, and it looks pretty clean. This is going to need at least a spot cleaning. So we do have, I don't know if it's leather or not, and it is missing the crossbody straps. I can see that, but this does not look like my thing. So this one will probably get a place in my Poshmark closet. Okay, the next bag is really cool looking. And this is, okay, here's a marking. It says Mauro's. There's the brand. And this one I like. I like the color. It's kind of a camel color. And it has that straw-like look. It is not actual straw, though. That's more like a polyurethane. And it does open like this. And then you can see inside. Let me check it out. Here's the tag inside. I can't read it. Yeah, I need a magnifying glass to read a lot of this, but this is a perfect bag to carry my laptop, I think. And of course, we do have an adjustable crossbody. We do have the outside zipper pocket. Everything looks really clean. This bag was never used. I would guess that this one was never used. This is completely my style. I am loving this one, Mauro's. I can't wait to do a little research and find out about this bag. Oh my goodness, I can't believe there's a story behind this bag. This is a Betsey Johnson. Yeah, this is like signature Betsey Johnson with the bow, and it's got the quilted hearts on it. And okay, I'll tell you the story in a second. Let's check out, let's see. Okay, it looks pretty clean. And we do have another compartment right there. Very, very clean. That's like a satin lining. It looks really nice. It does have the crossbody. There's the crossbody and gold hardware. Okay, this is the story behind this bag. It was a couple years ago when I saw this bag in the department store, and I really wanted it. It was at Christmas time, and I couldn't justify buying myself this bag. Check out the animal print on the side of it. Oh, I like this bag. But I kept thinking about it. You know, those bags, those pieces that you want to buy, you don't buy, and you keep thinking about it. And I just think it was worth the wait because finally it came to me. I really like this. This is fun. Betsey Johnson is so much fun to wear. I'm really, really pleased with this bag. Okay, so the last one is a wallet. And this is, it's got the little owl logo. And this is by Chumbuck. This does not feel like leather. This feels like a faux leather. Zipper works, that's nice. And the inside zipper works. Oh, there you can see the Chumbuck. So I hope this has some value. Because it's not my style, so I don't ever change my wallets. I've been carrying the same wallet for about 2 years, and this one is going to find a place in my Poshmark closet. So I don't know. This ThredUp Rescue Box was so much fun. I want to order another one. I think most of the bags in this box are my style. I think this is definitely worth the $90 that I spent on it because so many of the bags will pair nicely with my own personal outfits. So one of the cool things about trying this ThredUp Handbag Rescue Box is when I am done, when I'm no longer using those bags, I can list it on my Poshmark closet. This was so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, please be certain to give me a thumbs up. If you like these mystery unboxings, please let me know because I would be very, very happy to make more videos like this. This is great fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Subscribe and join me for the next video. It will be coming very, very soon. Blessings to all of you.